Welcome to this presentation on AI in Azure. In this session, we will provide an overview of artificial intelligence and its applications within Microsoft Azure. Today's agenda covers two main topics. First, we'll introduce core AI concepts. Then, we'll guide you on how to get started with Microsoft Foundry. Each section is estimated to take 15 minutes. You're presumably here because you want to learn more about artificial intelligence, AI. Maybe you've heard about AI in the media and want to know more. Or maybe you're going to be adopting AI at work or in school and want to know more about what to expect. This training module is designed to provide a high-level overview of some core capabilities of artificial intelligence, AI, and give you an intuition of how they work. It's not a deeply technical module, and we won't be writing any code or getting into the mathematical details of the machine learning models on which AI is built. Instead, we'll focus on understanding the kinds of things that AI can do and the basic principles on which it's based. So, let's go. Move on to the next unit and we'll start our exploration of AI. Artificial intelligence refers to software that imitates human capabilities. It can predict outcomes and recognize patterns from historical data, identify abnormal events, make decisions, interpret visual input, understand language, engage in conversations, and extract information to gain knowledge. How does artificial intelligence, AI, work? Using math and logic, a computer system simulates the reasoning that humans use to learn from new information and make decisions. An artificially intelligent computer system makes predictions or takes actions based on patterns in existing data and can then learn from its errors to increase its accuracy. A mature AI processes new information extremely quickly and accurately, which makes it useful for complex scenarios such as self-driving cars, image recognition programs, and virtual assistants. AI encompasses several workloads: generative AI, agents and automation, natural language, computer vision, information extraction, and machine learning. These areas often overlap in solutions. For example, a generative AI agent may process insurance claims using natural language, computer vision to assess damage, and machine learning to predict costs, while extracting information from documents and images. Examples of artificial intelligence. Businesses around the world already use AI in a wide variety of applications, and intelligent technology is a growing field. Here are some examples of AI in action today. Self-driving cars. Some of the most complex examples of AI in the world are self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles. These systems coordinate multiple processes to simulate the reasoning that human drivers use. They use image recognition to identify signs, signals, traffic flow, and obstructions. They optimize the routes they take to reach their destinations, and they send and receive data in real time to proactively diagnose issues and update their software. Health data analysis. Health organizations around the world use AI to help with research, testing, diagnosis, treatment, and monitoring. Some use AI to analyze tissue samples and deliver more accurate diagnoses. Some companies use AI to analyze clinical data and discover gaps in patients' treatment. And some companies use AI to analyze billions of compounds to help chemists reach discoveries faster and identify good candidates for clinical trials. Health data analysis. Health organizations around the world use AI to help with research, testing, diagnosis, treatment, and monitoring. Some use AI to analyze tissue samples and deliver more accurate diagnoses. Some companies use AI to analyze clinical data and discover gaps in patients' treatment. And some companies use AI to analyze billions of compounds to help chemists reach discoveries faster and identify good candidates for clinical trials. Responsible AI is guided by 6 principles. Fairness. AI systems should treat all people fairly. How might an AI system allocate opportunities, resources, and information in ways that are fair to the humans who use it? Reliability and safety. AI systems should perform reliably and safely. How might a system function well for people across different use conditions and contexts, including ones that it wasn't originally intended for? Privacy and security. AI systems should be secure and respect privacy. How might a system be designed to support privacy and security? Accountability. People should be accountable for AI systems. How can we create oversight so that humans can be accountable and in control? It's never been easier to build, optimize, and govern AI apps and agents that understand your business context and deliver business impact. Our unified, interoperable AI platform enables developers to build faster and smarter, while organizations gain fleet-wide security and governance in a unified portal. Microsoft Azure is a cloud platform offering scalable and reliable services, including data storage, compute, tools, subscriptions, resource groups, and resources. Azure provides the foundation for developing AI solutions. Microsoft Foundry is an AI development platform on Azure containing tools for generative AI, agents and automation, natural language, computer vision, and information extraction. Key tools include Azure Machine Learning, Foundry Models, Foundry Agent Service, Azure Language, Azure Translator, Azure Speech, Azure Vision, Azure Document Intelligence, Azure Content Understanding, and Azure Search. In summary, you have learned about AI concepts, what AI is, common AI workloads, principles of responsible AI, getting started with Microsoft Foundry, Azure Basics, and Microsoft Foundry tools organized by workload.